And we are already seeing some of the catastrophic damage throughout the state. For many, it's going to be a long road to recovery. The financial ratings agency Fitch Ratings estimates insured losses from Hurricane Ian could range from $25 to $40 billion, putting additional pressure on Florida's already troubled property insurance market. Now, the good news is Florida's insurance commissioner just issued an emergency order temporarily preventing property insurers from dropping customers in the aftermath of Ian. And that order will suspend cancellations or non-renewals of policies for 2 months until November 28th. And it comes amid widespread concerns about how the hurricane would affect the market. Governor DeSantis says he's confident that state-backed Citizens Property Insurance will not have a problem paying claims. Bigger questions surround how Ian could affect private insurers.
The regulators, when they go and approve their policies, though, they do different stress tests. And so this year they all had to pass a stress test for a major storm going into Tampa Bay. And they had to show that they were capitalized enough to do that.
The governor says a significant part of Ian's damage will come from flooding, which is largely insured through the National Flood Insurance Program.
If your home sustained damage from Ian and are wondering if it'll get covered by insurance, here's a breakdown of what is generally covered. Property damage caused by wind, typically covered under standard policies for homeowners, renters, and businesses. And as we just mentioned, homeowners with insurance plans through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program can generally get flooding damage covered. Federal disaster assistance is also available, but it's important to call your insurance company immediately to report damage. And be sure to take pictures or short videos of any damage, both outside and inside your home, to help speed up the claims process. If your insurer offers a fast track or fast claim service, including phone apps, use those. And that's why I say it's always good to take videos of your house before any damage, so you can show the before and after. White House ramping up its response to the damage that Ian left behind. President Biden promises Florida his federal government's full support. Set to deliver remarks about the hurricane today. 11:30 is when he's expected to step up to the podium. And when the situation allows it, he plans to travel to Florida to survey the damage and thank first responders for their efforts. Yesterday, President Biden met with FEMA officials to discuss the extent of the damage. He's declared a major disaster in the hardest hit counties to free up federal aid. And so far, the response is receiving bipartisan praise.
Everybody's got to keep working together, and I'm hopeful. And I tell you what, if there's a problem, I will be very vocal.
The administration faces a challenging task, with Florida officials bracing for months of rebuilding. FEMA says additional counties could be eligible for assistance after further damage assessments. If you don't have insurance, you can apply for federal help now at disasterassistance.gov. Disasterassistance.gov.